Okay, quick day today as I worked for basically exactly 15 minutes. I'm exhausted and I got big Rocket League stuff going on tomorrow. The first thing I did was add a bass to our cooldown section. I'd been hearing that I wanted the bass and these vocals to stand out a little bit more. Mainly in this choir section here. I love this sound. I wanted something on those chords that starts to descend to have something that made it stronger, made that bass just kind of come in more clearly. And I think I did a decent job with just adding in the bass that we currently have at a very much gained down. As you take a look at kind of where I've got the gain on this thing, it's down here. Most of the time the bass is here at 0 decibels of gain, but I have it go down to -27 and then come up to -14.8, and that works. I think that worked really well. So that sound plus this is like this. And you just hear just how much stronger it is with that little bass coming in there. There's just a little bit of extra oomph on the lower end. It's mainly the initial articulation, just having it boom, boom, just come straight in. Next thing was on the Boyhood drums here. There is a kick in this sample, and it was, I think, kind of overlapping with our main kick. And so I just put a shaper box sidechain on it, and you can just see it just taking this kick sample out of it, so you don't get this. This kick's kind of almost like a doubling of the kick. You can kind of almost hear 2 transients. This takes away one of those transients. So we just let the kick do its thing by itself and is sitting uninterrupted. The last thing I did was mess around a little bit with some wishy-washy effect sounds. We had built this sound previously. And I turned it up to be a little bit more aggressive on the kind of gain here, where it was going up to just 0 decibels. Now it's going up to almost 3. And then we kind of adjusted it to come in a slightly different time. I think I maybe want to have this section have a bit more washes, almost like ocean waves kind of crashing through. And obviously this sounds very ocean wavy. So now, because this first drop has kind of a false drop and then a real drop, and the real drop I think is worse than the false drop right now, so I'm gonna play them both here. That sound we had there second, I actually have this not coming in on the downbeat, but 2 beats or 2 measures later, so it's like there's a small thing in the background, and I might put a few more of those, because as this goes, it gets very and by that point we're there's suddenly kind of no real sounds happening, especially in this section. That's the one thing I know I want to add there. I also really want to add something to the beginning during this section here. Once it swells up, we then kind of have another 8 bars of just that, and I want something in here to make that section a little bit different. Once I've got those 2 things in, I think the track's done. And at that point, I'm just going to call the track done. I'm just going to release it, and I'm not going to continue to tinker with it. Go to a different track, take the things we learned from this track into that track, slowly get better and better and better. That's how this channel works. Anyways, that's all I have time for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.